So even though we had snow today, my husband still goes to town. He goes to Dunkin' Donuts to hang with the guys. So I said, well, if you're at Dunkin' Donuts, do me a favor and run to Dollar Tree for me. And I had picked this up the other day. I picked up this one right here. Well, I don't need this no more. And I love Zoom Zooms. I love anything Disney. So I was looking at it and I go, how cool would that be to put on traveler's notebooks? Dangle it from any Winnie Crafts. So I sent my husband back for these. Now check out what I did. You know, if you paint them, they're not going to come out looking like this. They're not. Or at least for me, they're not. So I said to myself, what if I cut the paper out behind it and I put it behind? Do you know that these are stackable? Did you know that? Let me show you something. All right, let's see if I can do it. I'll do it. Hey everybody, how are you? Today is another snowstorm. They said we were going to get over a foot of snow, but I think that they've changed that prediction. But it is snowing out there. At midnight last night, my son's house lost power. So my husband went there today and fired up their generator because my son is at work and his family is home because there's no school. So last night I finally got to get in here and create something. So I'm going to insert a picture because I'm not going to show you how I did it because it was a mesh wreath from the Dollar Tree. And there's so many tutorials and things out there, but I did use some of this, and these were my colors that I used, and I do believe, I'm gonna be honest, I think it came out beautiful. But I guess I started at like 10 o'clock last night, and I went on until 2 o'clock in the morning, and I decided to go to bed to avoid this storm. I feel like my crafting mojo has been buried with the snow. I feel like I have so many different crafts going on, so many different things going on, and I'm usually a one craft person. You start something and you finish it. So I'm afraid to even look at this video card because I have so many different projects on here. So this will be one. So this video, you're going to hear me rant. Sorry, which I truly hate doing. But I feel like my shoulders are being pushed down. But I'm trying to do like $1 store huge video of everything I made with things from my haul. So this will be one. Alright. Now I'm going to show you what else I've been working on. Alright, and my little container is missing. So you know I hold these little containers, and what I've been doing is if I have a small project going, it goes in the container and then the container goes on top of each other, and that's everything that I need for the project. And hopefully I don't need a bigger container than this. So I'm going to probably wind up splicing this video together because I know I started this video before. I don't remember where I got, but oh my god, please someone come and save me. I am a contingency planner, so I think that's my problem. I am mentally exhausted. You know, making sure that there was enough food, that we had enough gasoline, that the generator was ready to go, that there was water in the tub, that the cars were filled with gas, that the kids were all taken, not my kids, and then my grandchildren are good, and everybody, my sister lives on my property, so I need to make sure she was good. So I would consider myself the matriarch of this family. I think I take care of everyone, which I absolutely love. So that's why I think I need to sit down, breathe, and craft with you all. Okay, so these were, I know I showed you the packaging in the other video, so I'm going to start from here. So these are those cute little paint by numbers guess they're sun catchers. So what I did was, I'm not painting them. What I did was I did this. I show you how I open the package. Sorry that I pieced it together. But what I did was I took the original cardboard, I cut them out for us all, and then what I did was I made us a PDF file. So if you were opening up your package and you ripped Dumbo, don't worry about it. I saved every one of them that I cut out, and I put them onto a PDF file. And that PDF file will be in my Facebook group. And my Facebook group is Donna, Powered by Creativity. So if you join that group and you go to the files, this will be in there, along with a bunch of other files of things that I've created. So if you watch some of my videos, if there's a file involved, it's in the Donna, Powered by Creativity Facebook group. So I like to share. So, and what else I like to do is, you see how on the back of Spider-Man would go in here. And how cute is that, right? Adorable, but look at the back. Nah, don't like it. So the Dumbo one, I've already scanned and cut on cardstock. Look at this. You put Dumbo, and the back is perfect. How cute is that? So that's why I created this file, so that our product or our finished craft looks good. Isn't that adorable? And you know what? There's so many different ideas. These connect to one another. I don't know if you've ever looked at these in the dollar store, but there's a male to a female, and you clip them together, and you can then hang them. You can put a string on them. How cute would this be to write a to and from on the back and put it on a gift? So it's an additional keepsake when you give someone a gift. I would actually hang one of these at my car rearview mirror. I'd probably take Mick, but I would. So I'm not gonna bore you by watching me cut this out, so I'm gonna fast forward this. So now what I do is I take them and I just make sure that they line up okay. I want them to be able to fit in the back. Look how cute that lines up. And then look at that. So I'm going to put you on pause because my husband's coming in. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. This is what we're up to. And I think what I'm going to do is this. I think I'm going to art glitter on just the corners because art glitter glue dries clear. So let's see what we come up with. See how it looks. Yeah, I'm just going to do the outside edge. Let's see how that looks.
Your soy sauce gotta go in the fridge?
Yes, John.
Yes?
Yes, John. Ta-da! And this here, I'll let it dry and we'll come back to it and I'll see, make sure that it's all gone. Alright, so that's drying. Let's see where this lines up. This lines up I'm going to do the 3 dots and then the edge of this. That's what I'm going to do. I'll do the 3 dots here. Do those 3 dots, and I'm going to just do the edge. Okay. And then I'm going to turn it over and pray that that white disappears. I'm going to rub it with my fingers. If not, I'll come back and figure this out. How cute. I wonder if I could just make a black outline for each of these. Well, because then you wouldn't see Mickey's ears. That can't be. Yeah, that wouldn't work. That actually seems to be going away. I think that's adorable. Alright, let's try the next one. I'm sure this goes in a certain way. So let's figure out which way that would be. And that looks like it. Okay, very cute. This one should be easier because all I have to do is put glue on the bigger black areas. Okay. My husband's back is out right now, so I think I'm going to take a break here in a little bit, and while it's snowing out, I think I'm going to go sit in the hot tub with him, because he's always needs company, my husband. Yeah. Oh, look at how cute this is. Oh, I love it. And I'm just giving it a good press. I'm sure you could come in with your bone folder if you really wanted to press it down really well, but my fingers seem to be doing a great job. I even think Mickey's face looks okay. I could still see an outline. What I might do is this. I might do the next Mickey face in Mod Podge. I think that's what I'm going to do real quick. I think I'm going to do that. I don't have much left in this container. Oh God, too much. Alright, we'll just do Spidey also. I should have a piece of paper underneath me. I like when you're doing a craft and you have a quick little brain thought process. And I have a feeling that I think that's going to work out better. The Mod Podge. Yep. Love it. John, is somebody out back?
No.
What's that noise?
I don't know. It's the dog.
Love it. Alright, let's I have too much glue on Mickey. I just want to make sure that they all fit. I didn't double check to make sure my cuts were good. So, okay, that looks good. So what I'm going to do is this. Oh, I don't even know where my scrap paper is. I'll make this my scrap paper for now. And I'll quickly give this a coat of Mod Podge. And I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. Cute, right? So cute. And then I'm going to line it up. And look at her. Isn't that sweet? I'll probably fast forward the rest so I don't bore you.